So excited to talk about the herb I discovered. This herb have been used in ancient times to cure all health challenge apart from death. This herb is blackseed. It's also called black sesame seed or black cumin seed. Blackseed contain phytochemicals called Thymoquinone. All health challenge encountered by man has been linked to oxidative reaction. So see, this thymoquinone is a potent antioxidant that inhibits every oxidative reaction that occurs in human system. What can blackseed do for us? Blackseed takes care of all health challenge. The list is endless. Anti-inflammatory. So it can manage every form of inflammation, be it arthritis, ulcer, body pains, or any pain you can think about. Blackseed will help you to boost your immune system, so when there are invaders, your system can fight. Blackseed has capacity to lower your blood sugar and maintain your blood pressure. Blackseed has the capacity to maintain your kidney and your liver health. It has anti-cancer properties and also anti-tumor properties. So anything that is tumor, blackseed can shrink it. Heal you of every infection, be it bacterial, viral, or fungi. The multi-drug resistant pathogen called Staphylococcus aureus that defied antibiotics has been crushed using blackseed. Blackseed has antifungal properties that every fungal disease that has defied so many medication, especially fungal of the nail, can be treated using blackseed. Blackseed has anti-coronavirus potential. So taking blackseed can prevent you or can treat coronavirus. Blackseed has potential of boosting men's sperm count and motility rate. Blackseed can also help to balance female hormones. If you're a lady and you're having cramps during your period, making blackseed part of your diet will make you to have your period without pain. You're having regular period or no period at all, blackseed can help restore your menstrual flow. Blackseed list is endless. Are you a victim of asthma or every bronchial health challenge? Blackseed can help you to be free. Whatever health challenge you're passing through, give blackseed a trial today. How do I get blackseed? You can get it from the market, or if you don't know where to get it, drop on the comment section. Blackseed will be made available for you on request. Blackseed can be in form of the powder or the oil. Both are very important. You can make blackseed powder to be part of the spice you use in your cooking. You can take it as tea. You can also chew it normally and then wash it down with water. Blackseed powder can also be added to your smoothie. Blackseed oil can be taken directly, half teaspoon morning and night before food, not half tablespoon. Then from half teaspoon, you can gradually increase to 1 teaspoon morning and night. Twice daily when you're trying to treat a health challenge, but once daily when you're taking for prevention. Blackseed can also be added with any carrier oil to be applied topically on the body. If you have arthritis pain, you can use it to massage your body. You can also use it as a massaging oil for general massage. Blackseed can also be used for your hair. It has potential of limiting or preventing gray hair. Blackseed oil benefit is endless. Everything in life except death can be treated with blackseed. So what are you waiting for? Go and get blackseed for you and your family. Remember, we only have one life to live. We need to live it well. Recover the missing link in your health as you make this miracle herb as part of your daily diet.